Let's talk about how to make your resume stand out. First, let's address the elephant in the room. A resume is not something that should be created to stand out. Resumes are, first and foremost, a very specific type of document meant to provide employers with an overview of your professional experiences and qualifications. Now, with that being said, there are certain things you can do to ensure that your resume is as effective as possible. Hi, I'm Eileen, and for the past 13 years, I've helped thousands of job seekers to easily land their dream jobs rapidly by sharing my insider secrets. If you're new to my job search training videos, now would be a fabulous time to hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified every time I post a video about improving the results of your job search to get you hired rapidly in your dream job. Before we dive into tips on how to make your resume stand out, let's talk about what not to do. Do not use Times New Roman or any other traditional font for your resume. Instead, try something modern and sleek like Arial or Helvetica. Do not include more than 2 pages. Your resume should be concise and to the point. Do not use generic or vague language. Instead, be specific about your skills and experiences. Do not include personal information like your hobbies or interests. Instead, focus on your professional aspects in your life. Now that we've gotten that out of the way, let's talk about some things that you can do to make your resume more effective. Use powerful language to describe your experiences and qualifications. Highlight any awards or recognitions you've received. Use bullet points to list your experiences and qualifications. Use specific and concrete examples to illustrate your skills and abilities. Format your resume in a way that's easy for employers to scan and digest. By following these tips, you can be sure that your resume will be as effective as possible. And if you're applying for jobs and not getting anywhere, then grab time on my calendar for us to talk about your job search and how I can assist. My foolproof job-getting, career-building system, Pounding Pavement 101, is getting my clients hired in 3 to 8 weeks in their dream jobs after searching on their own for 9 to 12 months. Good luck with your job search. This is Eileen Ryan from Pounding Pavement 101.